Yo, so what's going on with you, man? Texas Tank TV, man. I've been meaning to get at y'all with another video, but some shit came up. So check this out. Check this shit out. I was gonna do a quick little oil change on the box, right? Gonna throw this royal purple in there, go back with an AC. Okay, cool. So I know I'm getting a whole new motor and stuff, right? So I said, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna go and see what spark plugs is in this stock little 305 that's in here. Go to take it out, and it's an E3 spark plug in there. I don't know if y'all run them E3s in y'all car. Drop in the comments and let me know, but I only see people put them in lawnmowers, so I don't know. So I was like, man, forget it. I'm gonna go to work and get some new AC Delcos just to throw in there, just cause I want everything OE in that motor. You know what? I said fuck it, cause I got tired and I didn't want to do it, so I'm not doing it. I'm gonna just put all that money towards my new motor. I'll worry about that when I take it out and get ready to rebuild it. Got my boy Wilbur, man, 3rd gen Camaro, man. He finna mount that thing up on some wide wheels I sold him. He finna do the fool on that thing, man. We finna get out of here, man. I'm gonna tune back in with y'all, bro. Just tune back in and let y'all know what's going down. What's finna go down. So we got that shit fixed, man. It's last night it was putting up like the check engine light, so I'm gonna see, was that just tripping because the alternator was tripping, or am I really gonna have to replace these spark plugs, man? But I'm gonna let y'all know how that go, dog. Yeah, so man, actually I guess that little misfiring in the check engine light really just came from the alternator just tripping and going out of whack. So I ain't have to worry about that. I really didn't even feel like putting them plugs in myself. Can do it, just ain't no point in really just messing with that, and I'm finna drop this LS in there, so it ain't really even no point in wasting my time on that, man. So all good, that all went through. That was player. I ain't really got too much more. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. Y'all get y'all stimulus check. Know y'all probably finna go blow that on some rims or something. Y'all gonna blow that stimulus on some rims. Man, drop in the comments, man. What rims y'all think I should go, man? Should we go Forgies? Should we go Corleone? Nah, scratch that. Corleone, Armani, or Billets. They're my top three right now. So drop in the comments which ones y'all think I should go. I'm not sure. I ain't really too much worried about rims right now. That's really my last worry. I'm really trying to get that thing right. I ain't trying to have none of them problems that I be seeing people having. I'm not trying to have none of them problems. Check this out, y'all. I was finna change all the lights in our Challenger, right? I was gonna change them because I don't like the yellow look. I hate the little yellow, that shit. So I bought all my lights to change them. I gotta watch a quick little YouTube video, cause look at this. You can't really see right now, but oh snap. It's like a ring that goes around them. So I was like, man, maybe all you gotta do is pop it out, is drop down, switch it out. Bro, when I tell you that you gotta remove all the panels, you gotta remove all like the back panels where the seatbelt come out, you gotta pull this down, and then you gotta no, it's not worth it, bro. These lights will stay the same color because it's not worth it. I'm not doing it, and I'm not paying nobody to do it. It's not that deep. It is not that deep, bro. I'm telling you, I'm not doing it. So I'm not doing it. I swear I'm not. What? Man, what was Dodge thinking? I'm not doing that. That is out of line, bro. That's out of line. Man, I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say this while I'm here. I'm getting tired of dudes pulling up on us, me and my bro. This not no scat. This not no SRT. This not no cat. It ain't none of that. Don't be trying to pull up racing and thinking you done something. Then your feelings hurt when this motherfucker still run you. Keep in mind, bro, it's still a new Challenger. So it's still gonna get up there. Just because it's a 6, it's still gonna get up there. And a lot of you niggas that's got scats, you niggas scared of them. Y'all can't drive them. That's sad. I don't know. I might go in and just get me one. I was gonna cop me a Chevy, but I might get that scat and piss a couple people off, show y'all how to drive them. I'm gonna work that wheel like I do in this bitch. Y'all niggas be scared of that. Be scared of that power, so I don't even know why y'all go get them. Niggas just want to go straight fast. Niggas spin that bit. Get in there. Y'all be scared of them, man. I'm not doing that. But like I said, bro, go ahead and drop in the comments which rims y'all think I should get. I think I said, what I said, Corleone or Money or them Billets, them MTWs. You know I love them Thorns. But y'all do that, man. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that, man. Go follow the IG page at Texas Tank TV. I'm out of here, bro.
Hey, GLAAZER, I see you.